All right, it's been so long. I've been waiting for this product for years. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So first of all, I'd like to shout out Google for sending the Google Pixel Collection, Team Pixel, gift from Google. Thank you so much for sending this out. But in today's video, we're going to check out this Pixel Collection, specifically one product here in this collection that I want to show you guys. So here's their special message. We hope you love your limited edition Google Pixel Collection set. I definitely already love the box. It has a mirror right here, Team Pixel, as you can see right there. And I'm definitely going to be sharing this on social. So thank you so much, Google Pixel, as well as hashtag Team Pixel. Take this off right here, this and this, but this is for a different video, the Google Pixel Watch. I am going to showcase this in this video, unbox it. I actually have the box. I'm going to unbox it. I'll share with you guys my first impressions because I have been waiting for a Google Pixel Watch for years. Yes, that's right. I've been waiting for one for years and they finally brought it. And we're going to check out this color right here. This is the silver. So without further delay, let's dive right in. All right, guys, Google Pixel Watch LTE with Fitbit. So here it is. I've been looking forward to this for so long. Oh, by the way, Google Pixel 7 Pro, don't forget to check out the unboxing first impression with my latest wallpaper pack. It's called Illusions. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. But anyway, I've been looking forward to the Pixel Watch for so long. It was rumored for years. I really wanted just something sleek, elegant, and simplicity, a simple watch. And I haven't had that for years, ever since the original Moto 360 and the Moto 360 from 2015. I think that had a reboot in like 2020, but I didn't have a good experience with that. But here it is. This is a Pixel Watch. In fact, let's just put that right back in. Let's take a look at the box. LTE, so this is the LTE version. Google's logo right here. Wear OS by Google, and they're making some pretty good upgrades. And take a look at the bottom right here. This is polished silver stainless steel with a chalk active band. It only comes in one size, 41 millimeter, but I think that's okay. That's okay. Wow. We saw it right at the intro of this video, but we're taking a look at it again. This is the official retail unboxing. Here it is, the Pixel Watch. Let's take it out of there, just like that. Wow. That is a really polished silver. I like circular smartwatches, that's what I have to say. Now there's a weird mechanism of how you attach and detach the bands. I don't have any extra bands right now, so I probably won't be trying it out. Let's put that aside for now. Let's take a look and see what else is in the box right here. Oh, we actually have some different size bands. So here's small. So we actually do have some extra bands. And we have right here the charging puck, if we can pull it out. I think you gotta go like this. There we go. Pull it out just like that. There is the charging puck. Here it is. So it's proprietary and it's USB-C right there. So I'm just gonna put that aside for now and see what else is in the box. Just gonna get some paperwork like that. There we go, just some paperwork of the Pixel Watch. So let's put that aside. Put that aside. Also, that right there. And let's take a look at this. So this feels really good. First of all, the band itself feels really good. The watch, like the curves on the circular display, people were complaining at the initial unveiling, like, oh, it's gonna look really, the bezel is really thick and all that stuff. But I think Google's going to do a great job with covering like the bezel to the edge of the actual watch itself. Oh, wow. So let's set this up with the Pixel 7 Pro. And I got my silver jacket right here with, you know, my silver Pixel 7 Pro, as well as my silver stainless steel. And also, by the way, let me know in the comments down below if you want to see another Pixel Watch color, perhaps the gold unboxing and first impression. Let me know in the comments down below, and if you want to see like a little comparison of the two colors. But let's kind of set this Pixel Watch up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm actually out of the gym. It's actually 12:29. Look at that watch face. So I did have some trouble starting up the initial startup of the Pixel Watch, but here it is. This is 41 millimeters on my wrist, and just as a reference, this is the Apple Watch SE 45, so this definitely sits much larger than the Pixel Watch right here. I have to log in and create a Fitbit account to kind of track my exercise, but this is my favorite watch face. I think Google did a really good job with the watch faces on the Pixel Watch. This is the always on display. So actually, let me take it off real quickly. But here it is. Here's the Pixel Watch. Now, I started the workout about 45 minutes ago at like 38%. So let's take a look right now. We're at 33. Granted, I wasn't able to track my walk or my exercise. It does still track steps. So right now I have 1,921. My goal every day is at least 10,000. But there. So Wear OS, Google does promise, I believe, 3 years. And so far in my first couple hours, I still have to update the Pixel Watch itself. It's very fluid and very quick. There hasn't been any hiccups, at least so far. But nonetheless, it's definitely much more fluid than the Galaxy Watch 5. All right, so that's really just my first impressions of the Google Pixel Watch. I'll definitely going to be updating you guys on the channel about this Pixel Watch, how I actually use the Pixel Watch when I dress up, when I wear my suits, for example. I typically use watches more so just to kind of accessorize my outfit of the day, pretty much. But that really wraps up this video in this different scene. If you guys do enjoy and you guys want to see more Pixel content, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me from here, Planet Fitness with the Pixel Watch, and I'll catch you guys in the next episode.